Alt R. Not recording. This meeting is being recorded. Alt S. Select the window or an basic tab sharing list. Share sound check space check. Select optimize for video clip checkbox not checked. The check press space bar. Share screen one enter.
Meeting controls. Big ideas math dash Google Chrome.
Hi, this is Dr.
Windows started
Robinson,
screen share.
and I'm teaching you how to drag and drop. It's done slightly differently in Big Ideas Math. I am going to tell you, even the computer does not see some of its images, the very first one that I did, and I think I'll just hit previous until I can go back to number one. You actually will not see it. But anyway, let's go ahead and hit our heading to get into the main heading.
Chapter 5 Algebraic Section 5.1 Algebraic 1 3 heading level 1.
Here we go. Down arrow.
Land 3. Main region. Heading level 2 item 3. Identify the terms, coefficients, and constants in the expression. Blank z squared plus 9z.
Okay. And this will come up on the Braille display also, which is really nice. I highly suggest that. So you've got z squared plus 9z. Down arrowing and tabbing. Tabbing is going to give you something really clean, but what you're actually going to do is you're going to listen to terms, coefficients, constants, go down to the options, choose your option, and then it immediately takes you back to your terms, and then you're just going to learn to tab to where you want to go. That may not make sense yet, but it will in just a moment. Let's down arrow and listen.
Land, term left parent as right parent colon. Response area drop response in position 1 of 3 backslash, which currently contains the option quote backslash left parent z caret 2 backslash.
Now hush them up. This also corresponds with insert F5.
Select the form field dialog. List 1 list view dashboard button 1 of 27 to backslash left parent z caret 2 backslash 9z backslash right parent button 12 of 27.
Okay. So for whatever reason, they decided to put backslash on all of these. But you don't have to go that way. You can, if you want to quickly get back. You can also hit P for previous and down arrow to quickly hear where you want to be. But just know insert F5 has a lot of options here, but we're just going to use tab.
Escape response area.
Okay, so the first thing I want to look for then is the terms and what the term is. Oh shoot, I already got the correct answer in there. Okay, we're going to put the wrong answer in. So let's go ahead and tab.
Main region, response area region, backslash left pair, response area, possible responses region, Z toggle.
That's where you want to go. Possible responses. You want to listen to your options.
9Z toggle, but 1 toggle button, backslash left parent Z, backslash 9Z back.
Now, I'm going to hit enter to select this.
Enter, response area region, backslash left parent Z caret 2, backslash.
And it immediately moves me to my terms, up arrow and listen to make sure you are on terms.
Response area term left parent as right parent colon, backslash left parent Z caret 2, backslash 9Z backslash right parent enter. The option quote backslash left parent.
And it immediately changes. So let's go ahead and tab to the next item.
Response area region, backslash left parent 1, backslash 9 backslash right parent toggle button to toggle this.
Okay, once again, just ignore all the backslashes, and it tells you your coefficient. You can double check that with go ahead and up arrow.
Response area drop coefficient left parent as right parent colon, backslash left parent 1, backslash 9 backslash right response area region, possible responses region, Z toggle button to toggle the state press space bar.
Oh, once again, okay, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna have to choose something wrong.
9Z toggle button to toggle the state press space bar. Enter, response area region,
Now that immediately moves you back to the terms box. So you know you need to tab once.
Response area region, backslash left parent 1.
Push them up, and then up arrow and listen to coefficient.
Response area coefficient left parent as right parent colon.
Yep. Tab.
Backslash left, response area region, none toggle button to toggle. Response area region, backslash left parent 1, backslash enter. The option quote 9.
Immediately drops 9Z in there. Let's go ahead and tab to the constant.
Response area region, none toggle button to toggle the state.
And of course, you're going to up arrow to double check to make sure you're on your constant.
Response area constant left parent as right parent.
So it always is in the sequence. It's terms, it's coefficients, it's constants. So now let's go to our constant.
None toggle button. Possible responses region, Z toggle, 1 toggle button to backslash left parent 1, backslash 9 backslash enter. Response area region, backslash left parent Z, backslash 9Z back.
It immediately pops me back up to my terms, so I know I need to count twice with my tabs.
Response area region, none toggle button to toggle.
Double check, up arrow.
Response area constant left parent as right parent colon, none toggle button.
And
enter the option quote back.
And it immediately moves in your proper numbers. And then of course you can shift tab through it, or just tab to check button. Let's go ahead and change our terms since we yeah, had to make them wrong. So let's go ahead and tab into our options.
Possible responses region. Z toggle button. None toggle but one toggle but backslash left parent Z caret 2 backslash 9Z backslash.
Okay, so I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to immediately pop me back to my terms.
Enter response area region. Enter the option quote backslash left parent Z caret 2 backslash 9Z backslash right parent quote left parent 7 of 7.
Okay, so our coefficients, and of course I had to change those around, and yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to change those. Once you move them into position, well, let me show you what you're going to do, because we know our constants are 1, 9. So we've got to go down there and change it to something else. So let's go ahead and find none.
Response possible none toggle button to toggle the state, press space enter. Response area region. Back.
Remember, it moves me immediately back to terms, so I need to tab twice to my constant.
Response area region backslash left.
You can double check that with up arrow.
Response area constant left parent S right parent cold backslash left parent 1 backslash enter. The option quote none quote left parent 3 of 7 right.
Beautiful. Okay, so we can go ahead and check our answers on that, but let's go ahead and tweak our coefficient before we do. So let's tab.
Possible responses region. 1 toggle backslash left parent 1 backslash 9 backslash right parent enter. Response area region backslash left response area region enter. The option quote backslash left parent 1 response area region. Possible response 9Z toggle but 1 toggle but backslash check answer check button to activate. Press enter.
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 And it does not tell me it's correct, but let's go ahead and shift tab back up.
Main read 1 toggle 9Z toggle response area region none correct toggle button to toggle the state.
Shift tab.
Response area region backslash left parent 1 backslash 9 backslash right parent correct toggle button to.
And so then you can shift tab back up and it will tell you that it's correct. So that is how you get around, yeah, drag and drop. It's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and go to previous. I want to show you the issue.
Response positive 9 1 back check answer need help prev button to activate press enter space main region item 2 heading level 2.
And this is where, and I heard heading level 2, so I should be able to down
identify the terms, coefficients, and constants in the expression.
Okay, this is not a screen reader issue. This is a computer issue, or actually this whole site. And let me show you. Down arrow.
Blank 15 plus 3W.
Okay, and you only heard 15 plus 3W, and you have a plus half. Now I'm just going to quickly take my mouse over to the audio so you can see this is a design issue.
Unlabeled 2 button to activate, press enter.
Okay, now I'm going to see if I can.
Item 2 heading level 2.
Okay, down arrow and listen.
Identify the terms, coefficients, and constants in the expression.
I am going to have to insert 3 by passkey through. I'm going to have to turn off my computer.
Passkey through.
Let's see.
Blank 15 plus 3W.
Okay, let me turn off my screen reader so you can hear what an issue this is.
Unloading JAWS, quit JAWS dialog, enter, drag and bar, button to activate, press space bar.
So these are for kids who want to listen to it. Let's go ahead and do this.
Identify the terms, coefficients, and constants in the expression 15 plus 3W.
See, even the audio of this computer does not see plus 1/2. So this is a page load issue. There's no way anyone with this who is blind is going to be able to actually know that there is a 1/2 there unless someone is someone sighted actually sees it. So this is a Big Ideas math issue, and of course they should be contacted. And actually I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and Shift Windows S, take a screenshot of this page, and I'm actually going to send this to them, and I'm going to say 1/2 does not read at all. Once again, this reads perfectly from a Braille display. I always highly suggest that. Once you get the rhythm down of just tabbing to your answers first, because you're always going to know it's going to be terms, coefficients, and constants. So you can, once you know that and you've read your problem, you can go right back, right down to your drag or drop or your options, hit enter, and it immediately pops you back to terms, and you can just quickly add in there. And that is how you do quote unquote drag and drop in Big Math Ideas. Thank you.